Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss more MCQs of Physics, Chapter 10, Light, Part 2. To obtain, question number 1, to obtain a magnification of -2 with a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter, object should be placed. So magnification is given. Magnification is negative, which shows that real and inverted image is formed. Magnification negative means real and inverted image, and value of magnification is 2. This shows that the size of image is twice the size of object. Now, for doing this MCQs, we should have a clear idea about the image formation and ray diagram of concave and convex lens both. So here the options given. If we check the options, actually focal length is 10 centimeter. So when we between 5 to 10 centimeter is actually when object is placed at distance less than the focal length. So when object is placed at distance less than the focal length, so these are the cases. Actually, this is the case. In this case, virtual image is formed. So this cannot be the correct answer. Then between next option is between 10 and 20 centimeter. When object is placed between 10 and 20 centimeter, that means object is placed here between F1 and 2F1. Okay. In this case, the image formed is it can be twice that of real and inverted image is formed, and it can be twice also, or the size of image will be more than size of the object. Then at 20 centimeter means object is placed at C, center of curvature. When object is placed at center of curvature, the image formed is equal in size to that of object. So this cannot be the correct answer. So we have cancelled out option 1, option 2, and beyond 20 centimeter. When we see this option, beyond 20 centimeter is this actually. Beyond 20 means beyond C. Okay. And in this case, the image formed is smaller than that of object. So out of all the 4 options, only option B looks correct. So this is the correct answer. Question number 2. A convex lens of focal length 15 centimeter produces a magnification of +4. Magnification plus means virtual and erect image. So this is a very clear cut clue actually. It's that when magnification is positive, virtual and erect image will be formed, and in convex lens there is only one case when virtual and erect image will be formed. That is the last one, when object is placed between pole and focus. So as focal length is 15 centimeters, so our answer will be at less than 15 centimeter. So this is the correct answer. Then question number 3, if magnification of -1 is to be obtained by using a converging lens, you have to remember that converging lens is convex lens only. Magnification is -1. Magnification is -1. Minus means real and inverted image, and 1 means size of image and object both are equal. This case is also a single and unique case. When size of image and object both are equal, that means object is placed at center of curvature, and focal length is 12 centimeter. So the center of curvature distance, radius of curvature will be at 24 centimeter, because radius of curvature is twice the focal length. So that is 24 centimeter. So at 24 centimeter will be the correct answer. Question number 4. In order to obtain a magnification of -0.75 with a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter, object should be placed. Now the magnification is negative. Magnification is negative means real and inverted image. Size of image is smaller than size of object because its value is less than 1. When magnification is less than 1 means image is smaller than object. So actually only 2 cases are there when image is smaller than that of object. These are these first 2 cases. When object is placed at infinity, point size image is formed, and when object is placed beyond the center of curvature or beyond 2F1, the image formed is smaller. So focal length is 8. So center of curvature will be at 16 centimeter. So answer C is beyond 16 centimeter is the correct answer. Next one, a beam of parallel rays is incident through the hole on one side of a box and emerges out through the holes on the other side as shown in the diagram below. Which of the following could be inside the box? So if you have done convex lens, concave lens, prism and rectangular block clearly, it's clear that convex lens can give us this image. This because the convex lens is converging lens. So all the rays which are coming parallel, they will meet at focus. So this convex lens will be the correct answer. Then sixth, a beam of light is incident through the holes on one side of the box and emerges out through the holes on its opposite side as shown in the following figure. The box contains, so this will be concave lens because concave lens is diverging lens and here we can see diverging rays. So concave lens is correct answer.